Yo riders, good morning from Vienna. It's holiday today and I'm having a big tour planned, and I'm taking you along and show you how my day of such a long tour looks like. So I'm starting with proper breakfast, which is my favorite one, banana pancakes. I will show you the full recipe here, and yeah, just watch me create the breakfast and I'll continue with the next step. Plan for today is Vienna, Bratislava, Vienna. That's around 140 kilometers, all flat, so nothing challenging. But I like to get proper fuel. This is my go-to breakfast. So just some banana pancakes with some fruits, fresh fruits, my favorite, linolada, and some beetroot juice. I will enjoy that and see you soon on the bike.
Next up, we're gonna do 10 minutes of stretching, which I do every morning. I'm already 5 minutes in, gonna show you the second part. And afterwards, we're gonna do 5 minutes of glutes activation, which I do once I have time in the morning before the ride. So, and last but not least, we need some proper fueling. I got my drinks ready for the ride, some variety of gels and bars that I like. Yeah, then we're good to go for the big ride. So see you in a second. So we made it out of the inner city and we're now at the Danube Island. Wonderful bike lane, endless kilometers, and this bike lane will also lead us to Bratislava in around 60 kilometers. So let's build up some speed and get to Bratislava as fast as possible. Alright, first and hopefully final fail of the day. I got lost, missed the turn, continued to pedal straight ahead because I thought I know the way. I didn't, but yeah, that will not stop us. Now we should be on the right bike lane. Let's go. Let's go. Trav Young is also included in today's route. So yeah, hope this will not go for too long. I'm kind of scared of my tubes. Let's see. Back on tarmac, but I feel like this will not last for too long. Okay. Nope, still tarmac. This is pretty, absolutely stunning. Thankfully, no puncture, and we can continue our ride. Our travel speed is at around 35 kilometers per hour. We are 38 kilometers in, probably around the half towards Bratislava. is done. It's time for first snack. Still pretty full from breakfast, but you know, you gotta keep fueling so you will not run out of gas. I mean, that's really spectacular here. What, a bit windy. Having my first energy bar. Yo, more gravel. So 64 kilometers in. We should be about 10-15 kilometers away from Bratislava. So far, it's doing really well. I love the bike playing here. Except for the gravel section. That was not my favorite. And thinking about that, boner. No gravel section. I thought always when I start a video, out of nowhere a gravel section appears, but not this time. But I'm seeing these three guys ahead of me. I already overtook them twice. They once overtook me on the gravel section when I took it really slow, and the second time when I got some fresh water. Now I'm back again, hunting down these three guys again.
We're gonna do this one the right way. Pisces. I don't wanna know your name, cause I might just feel your pain. Might just risk my life to keep you dry when it rains. Might just fall in love, a little hug can make me stay.
So we are now officially in Slovakia, and you can already see castle just straight ahead.
I'ma roll the slide while I go down and relocate. And I'ma take a bow and then throw thousands in your face. I'm a G, I'm the centerpiece. You can't settle me. I repeat, we're my enemies. Tell them come and see. They retreat, I'm their water sign. Sweep you off your feet. In these streets, I'm here all the time. How come we ain't meet? Got some thoughts up in my head, now I can't sleep cause they cut deep. I keep tossing in this bed cause I'm so bleak, I get cold feet. I get tired of people walking all on me like I'm some cleats. I get tired of people trying to rattle me. I need my peace. I get lost in this bed cause I'm so bleak, I get cold feet. All these thoughts up in my head, now I can't sleep cause I feel weak.
So we left Bratislava and it's 70 kilometers back to Vienna. Let's see how fast we can push. Right now we got a pace of 32 kilometers per hour, which is quite good, but considering the gravel sections, inner city traffic in Vienna and Bratislava. So let's keep pushing.
I got my heart on my sleeve, I got my gun on my hip. Yeah. Creative and artistic, better pay your homage to me, cause I created the shit.
So we're 90 kilometers in, 2 hours 50 around. Time for lunch. Now I got some Jiglr, my favorite, strawberry banana.
Remember, look at my card, look at my face, look at my scar. Ooh, oh my god, look at my taste, everything hard. Ooh, I go far, I'm just trying to find my equal. They don't show me love, even though I show up for people every chance I get. With no intention, I'm raw, man, take my soul, step in, be bold, be lit, don't fall.
So we got 92 kilometers, just around 50 left. We already got 30 degrees, so very important to stay hydrated. Final 55 kilometers. Let's go. Oh, wonderful. Feels so good. So 32 kilometers to go, which is around 1 hour. Starting to feel my body, feeling exhausted. My legs hurt. Getting hungry again. So time for my probably final snack. Hydro gel. Temperatures are already above 30. Oh, that would be so good if it would be ice cold. I love it. final gravel sector. Vada Bianca is spectacular. And we made it without a flat tire, hopefully. And I want to keep the pace up, right against the clock. I want to finish that within 4 hours 30. I gotta push for that. Alright, we are 135 kilometers in, and I'm suffering. Just lost half of my final energy bar, nuts bar. Ah, that hurt. That hurt mentally. But I'm gonna go back and grab it from the floor. But yeah, now I'll keep pushing. It hurts. Just 10 kilometers to go. Let's go. So I had one more final refreshment. It's 35 degrees now. Feeling absolutely exhausted. 4 hours 25, 143 kilometers. Tough, yeah.
I'm back home, showered, feeling fresh again. There were some issues with my battery of the camera, so I couldn't really film how I got off the bike. But let's jump into the stats. So it was 145 kilometers, 4 hours 30, 32.2 kilometers per hour average speed. I burned 3,600 kilocalories and had an average of 165 watts, which is around 2.8, 2.7 watts per kg for my weight. It was really cool. I think it's very special if you can go from one capital to another capital and back. There's not a lot of places where you can do that, I guess, so that's pretty special about Vienna and Austria. So I really love that, to go like to another country. And yeah, you see, I got my lunch ready. Absolutely, like that's the best feeling, like for me, having the favorite lunch, which for me is barbecue ribs with homemade fries. So enjoying that to the max after a great effort. That's just the very best. All right, I hope you enjoyed this day with me, going to Bratislava and back. Let me know in the comments if you already did something similar like that. Do you like long rides, or are you more like into shorter rides and workouts? Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And yeah, see you soon and ride on. Cheers.